What I wish I knew in my teens instead of my 20s. The surprising health benefits of kissing. Let's pucker up for some science. First off, kissing increases your heart rate in a good way, promoting heart health and giving you a mini workout. Yep, you can burn about 2 to 3 calories per minute. Not bad for a smooch, right? Next, it releases chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and oxytocin. These are your body's natural feel-good hormones, which means kissing not only lifts your mood, but can actually help reduce stress levels. So, feeling anxious? Maybe it's time for a little lip action. And here's one for your immune system. When you kiss, you exchange beneficial bacteria with your partner, boosting your body's defenses. It's like a vaccine, but way more fun. So the next time you're leaning in for a kiss, remember, it's not just sweet, it's seriously healthy.